Okay everyone, as I promised, I was going to show the final of the results of my ghee butter, and here is my ghee butter, clarified ghee butter, and this is all the bad things was in there. This is what you eat when you don't eat clarified butter. This is all things that go straight to your heart. Lactose, fat, and this butter is not healthy anyways, but a clarified ghee butter is way better for your health. All right, this is my pan. I scrapped everything. You do this, and you can buy any unsalted butter and put it in a medium heat, and you can use a paper towel to get all rid of this if you would like it, but you don't have to. This is gonna be on top, and at the end it's gonna be on the bottom of the pan, so you can just pour nicely, so you don't have to use any process. Okay, and this is my ghee butter, clarified ghee butter. I made my own.